So despite the fact that a lot of people will associate the Beats products with Apple, it is very possible to connect the Beats products to your Android phone. So I have an Android device right here. I'm going to show you how you can do that with the Powerbeats Pro 2, which I've just purchased from Amazon. So I have my Android phone right here, and right next to it my Powerbeats Pro 2. Obviously it's important they're fairly close, and I've gone ahead and downloaded the Beats app and just accepted the terms for that, which is all you need to do in order to get to this screen, where we need to enable certain permissions within our phone that the Beats app can use. The first of these is location permissions, so let's tap next here, and where it says permissions, we'll select that and choose location, and I'm going to choose allow only whilst using the app and keep use precise location enabled. So we'll hit back there. And we are going to enable notifications in a moment, but we'll wait until the app prompts us to do so. So heading back into the app, it's now detected it's got location permissions. So let's select to get started here. And now we need to enable notifications. And this is important because when you are connecting for the first time, it's going to give you a notification to accept that connection. So let's head to notifications and tap allow here. Okay, that's all we need to do for that. Then we can select an option here. I'm going to select not to send. And now we're going to actually enable some Bluetooth connection. So let's tap next, tap allow. And here's where we choose the product. And for some reason, Powerbeats Pro 2 isn't actually an option here, which is surprising seeing as how it's a brand new product. However, Powerbeats Pro is an option. So let's attempt to connect using this. And select your connection. We're going for an audio connection. And now we need to go ahead and open the case. This is what is going to put the actual product into its pairing mode. Now, if it's not flashing here, the small LED, okay, you can see mine is flashing, then there's a button here which you just need to hold down for about 3 seconds, and that will pop that into this mode where it's flashing, which is the connection mode. And as you can see, we've got the notification now up at the top in order to connect. So let's go ahead and select that. So select allow on this, and then we just need to wait a moment. Powerbeats Pro discovered. Okay, hopefully this is going to work. Yes, there we go. And there's an update, so probably a good idea to do that before we proceed any further with anything else. So let's update. And this will actually, this isn't an app update, this is a firmware update for the product. So it's going to transfer this update over the connection we've just made. Now let's close the lid for the update, and then we just need to wait a moment for this to actually go through. It took about 10 minutes for me to download the actual firmware update from my phone and into the actual Beats product itself. So once the actual download is completed and it's been transferred to the actual headphones, you'll get this message saying that it's now going to be installing, but you can actually still use these while that's happening. So let's tap OK there, and it's just going to go ahead and load the app here. Oh, well, let's go ahead and actually open the case so that we get that connection. Okay, so we can see the update is pending. We do get access to the app, but still some of the features aren't going to be accessible until that update is complete. For example, we get the option here to now rename our Beats product. Right now, the actual name is simply rename. If I try and do that at this moment, however, I'll just get the message saying that I need to wait until the product firmware has updated. But a couple of cool features here that are good to have at your fingertips include the Explore option here. This will show you not only how to use the Beats product, but also how to operate the controls, the touch controls on the side of each earphone. So it will just take a few minutes to install the update. It's best to keep the case closed while that is happening, and once that's done, then you can have full access to the app itself. The Powerbeats Pro 2 are fully set up at this point to your Android device, and you can use it as you would with, say, an Apple phone using that app. So folks, hopefully this little tutorial has helped you out. Thank you so much for checking it out, and I'll catch you next time.